Group 2030, and our project is Jade. The group members are Paul Hewen, Jared Prislow, and me, Ahmed Fall.
Hey guys, how you doing? A problem that has come to our attention as engineering students is we need to come up with a solution to help prevent stress fractures, mainly in the leg. See here, a stress fracture is a small crack in the bone, normally due to overuse or misuse of a muscle during exercise. The muscle becomes exhausted, can't absorb any of the impact. The impact goes to the bone and it causes a crack. And our solution is...
The solution that we came up with was a sock that would go over top of your leg. Upon further research, we found that stronger leg muscles can promote stronger bones, which will prevent stress fractures. So, the calf area right here will be made of like a compression type material that'll hold your leg together much easier. The sock around the calf here is going to provide the same pressure and tension as a strong muscle on the bone. And then another thing that can cause a stress fracture, especially in runners, is an improper landing of the landing foot. What this part is basically the same material as this, except it has a little more tension to it, thus holding your foot in the proper heel to ball progression, which will transfer the energy of the runner, thus preventing the shin from experiencing too much stress. And then beneath here, we have a gel insole, which is going to be optimized for the runner. But the neat thing about it is it's removable. So if you just want to wear this when you're playing golf or something recreational and you don't need a runner's insole, it's not going to be glued in. It's going to have a little slot that you can both put it in and pull it out of. Now up here, this is a basic idea of what our insole is going to look like. It's going to look like your foot, but what it's going to have are 3 sections of our impact absorbing gel, which is going to absorb any bit of impact that you have as a runner in the 3 key areas that you need it the most. And inside here, we're going to have an ortho arch support, which is going to be made of polyethylene, which is just as flexible and stronger than polypropylene.
So now we're going to talk about why our product is better than other products. The techniques presented now are normally, they're presented after the stress fracture has already occurred. Our technique prevents a stress fracture from ever happening. Our design is aesthetically pleasing and it will be affordable for all.
So what we would like is a $3 million over 5 years at a 15% stake, and we're going to use that for staff, which would be chemical engineers, material scientists, to come up with the materials for both the calf sock and the insole. It would also be for production, and then we're going to need it for test subjects, which are mainly going to be high school athletes, kids who don't have the proper running techniques as professionals or collegiate athletes.